Hi Bharti, happy 60th birthday. Life's milestones are not to be counted, but celebrated happily, nicely. Best wishes from me and everyone.
Bharti, I wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you for being there for me always, for getting me my first internship at Lentas and being there to get me tickets and help me with seats, help me whenever I needed you, and always being there for us and for our family. Hope you have a fantastic, fantastic 60th birthday and many, 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 many more. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Have a fantastic celebration in 2020 and beyond. Thank you.
Hi Bharti, happy 60th birthday. You're not 60 years old but 60 years young. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bharti. Happy birthday, sweet 16. Happy birthday, sweet 16. देखा मास्क लगाने से कितना फायदा हो रहा है. स्वीट 60 का स्वीट 16 सबको सुनाई दे रहा है. इसलिए मास्क पहनो और हैप्पी बर्थडे मनाओ. Happy birthday to you, dear Bharti.
Hi, happy birthday, David Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Didi. Thinking of various unique ways to wish you on your birthday, just like your unique ways of making cakes and all other stuff which you have done during lockdown. Wish you a very happy birthday. 60 years is a great milestone. Thank you for treating me as your son always. Happy birthday.
Happy. Yes, happy birthday, Didi. I love you. Good girl. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Happy birthday, Bharti Didi. Ashima wishes you a very happy birthday. Very happy birthday. We love you. बोलो happy birthday, Didi. Didi.
चलो हाँ आशिमा का सॉफ्ट टॉयज दिखाओ दीदी को. सब सॉफ्ट टॉयज दिखाओ दीदी को. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. वाओ, कौन से सॉफ्ट टॉयज. वो वाला भी दिखाओ. उधर सैंटा दिखाओ. सैंटा. और डॉगी दिखाओ. डॉगी.
अच्छा बॉबो किधर है?
हाँ.
और टेडी किधर है? टेडी. और स्नो वाइट किधर है? स्नो वाइट. अरे वाह.
पार्टी तो कभी से शुरू हुई है.
पर भाई मेरी तो एंट्री नहीं हुई है.
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे. हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज तो पार्टी जब तक बचते आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday, Didi. Love you lots. Have a great day, beautiful. You will always be a special person in my heart. Thank you.
Hello Bharti, hello Poonam, hello Bati. What an auspicious day today. जब भी भारती आपकी याद आती है तो आई रिमेंबर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बहुत सारे किस्से हैं बट अभी बहुत सारे तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट या वट एवर कम्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माइंड. I remember one thing, like when you had gone with Tolo Jijaji at Nariman Point and Balram had seen it for the first time. In Balram's words, what a charming, what a fantastic, beautiful face, what a beautiful figure you have. I cannot say no to her. I mean, I'm so happy that I'll be marrying this girl. Yeah, these are not the exact words of Balram, but something like this. Yeah, so right from the childhood, you had been a great personality, and you had a lot of charm. And now, of course, still the charm is there, but now you are more matured. That time you are more innocent. Yeah, talking about many other things like taking care of the family. Whatever happens in the family, you are a solid rock behind it. Let it be a financial problem, let it be any problem, you are always there. So that is a fantastic quality you have. And you have taken care of Balram, you have taken care of children so much. Not only children but even grandchild, Daivu. Whatever little happens, you can just take a flight and reach there. Yeah, in a day's time or in 2 days' time. And also, I think you have been very strategic in, like selecting what kind of a job you want to do. And you always, think a long term. And probably that is the reason that you switched over to Air India. Yes, and it has been very beneficial for all of us, especially for the family. Yeah, right. And you have been a person, I think, who believes in relationships. I think you have a very wide circle of, people who know you or you know them. And also you have been one of the favorites among the youngsters in the family. Everybody, loves you, calls you Bharti Mausi, and, like they wait for you, they would want to talk to you and things like that. So you have been one of the favorites in the family. And you always have, and you always carry a Sadhwani brand. Yeah, I also remember one more thing. You are pretty assertive and bossy. Do you remember in WhatsApp, anything that duplicate comes in the WhatsApp? Oh my God, you will just say you would not like it. You say, "Arey, this has been a duplicate," and things like that. Yeah, enjoy your second inning and wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.
शब्दों का यह खेल है सारा, फिगर्स की जंपा जंपी है. अरे हम तो यहीं खड़े हैं और भारती तू 60 की हो रही है. ओवरटेकिंग नॉट अलाउड. अब तक तो मैं कहती थी भारती छोटी है, तो क्या अब भारती कहेगी मीरा छोटी है? चल ठीक है भारती, दोनों आगे बढ़ते हैं, बचपन को साथ लेते हैं, दिल में मौज मस्ती बसा के तेरा 68th जन्मदिन मनाते हैं. हैप्पी 68th. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑलवेज.
Welcome aboard Air India birthday flight 60 with destination Mumbai.
The reported weather at the destination birthday 60 is fun, joy, and excitement.
Fasten your seatbelt, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Ayo, this is your captain from Soda Airline. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bharti Didi. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday,
Bharti Auntie. Hi Bharti Auntie. Have a fantastic day and have a super fun year. We hope to see you soon. Have a great birthday.
Happy
Bye.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Didi, wish you a very happy 60th birthday and wish you another 60 and more.
Happy birthday, Bharti Masi. Stay fabulous, stay awesome. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bharti Dadi.
Happy birthday, Bharti Dadi.
I made a surprise for you. Surprise! Dadi, I made this for you so long ago, but we couldn't give it to you. Hope to meet you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye. Bye.
Hey Bharti, you look good. I mean, you don't look your age. You know what? Whenever I read or hear a cliche that age is just a number, I am reminded of you. You have to say thank you for that. Well, that is over. Have a great day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 60th birthday, dear Bharti. जीअं पुछो तोखे ऑलरेडी चयो हो जॉइन द सीनियर सिटीज़न गैंग दैट वाज एट द एज ऑफ 58 पर हाणे 60 त ऑफिशियल वर्ल्ड ओवर थी वियो तुंहिंजो सीनियर सिटीज़न वाओ 60 एंड आई एम 58 हू बि छा ॾींहं हुआ नंढे हूंदे जा वाओ यार कहाँ गए वो दिन पर मूंखे लॻे थो असांजो रिलेशन अञा ताईं नॉट बैड ओरो ई आहे हेट लव फाइट है न सुलह let it remain that way. Let us live our life, Bharti. This is the time you enjoy your life. ठीक है चल have a healthy safe corona safe life. Happy birthday once again.
Masi, are you there? Are you there, Masi? Just wishing you a very, 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 very into 60, 161, one for good luck. A very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay you, and lots of love to you. Love you. Bye.
Hi Poonam. Let me wish you a very happiest and healthiest returns of the 60th birthday. Very proud to have you as my Bobby. Because you have done anything and everything for everyone around you, and we are happy and honored to have you in our family. You have taken all the responsibilities of family with a broad smile on your face. Last but not the least, your CS, you have done your CS with so many hurdles in your life, but ultimately you did complete it with flying colors. Once again, we are proud for this and every achievement of yours. Happy birthday, love you.
Hi Poonam, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Now you cross 60, इसका मतलब तुम अब सठिया गई हो, 60s की कैटेगरी में आ गए हो. Wonderful day dear. Have a nice time. God bless you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Well, we won't say you look old. You've just been young for longer than most of us. Hello, Mommy जी. आपके बर्थडे पे शायरी अर्ज किए हैं. कड़ी चावल हो या दाल पकवान, आपका खाना खा के मिल जाता है हमको निर्वाण. बाल चाहे काले हो या सफेद, हम आपको देख के हो जाते हैं लमलेट. केक पे कैंडल्स 1 हो या 60, Devik's daddy always looks sexy. Love you. Love you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार हम ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, mommy. Happy birthday to you, sexy. Happy birthday to you. May you live 100 years.
खुशियाँ जो अज दी आयो, खुशियाँ सा हर दिल गायो. खुशियाँ जो अज दी आयो, खुशियाँ सा हर दिल गायो. तू जिए हजारों साल की असांजी आरज़ू. लख लख वारायो, लख लख वारायो, लख लख वारायो. जन्म
जी लख लख वाधायूं
दादी लख लख वाधायूं
Happy 60th birthday Devik Dadi.
God bless you always.
Enjoy.
your day. Cheers.
Hi Didi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Hello there, Poonam ji. How are you? Happy birthday to you. We wish we could all be there with you this year, but then we'll have to delay it by a year, I suppose. Anyway, happy 60th birthday and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Poonam ji. Have a great birthday. I pray to God to give you a long, healthy life, and may He grant your every wish, and may He fulfill all your dreams. Have a wonderful birthday. Take care.
Happy 60th birthday, Poonam ji.
Happy birthday, Poonam. Happy to see you 60-year-old. We came together when you were 22 and we married in 83. You became super mom in 83 and 86, and then the life started. We are today at the juncture where you have achieved many things, and one of the great things is that you got the two actually wonderful bahus who are your friends and my daughters. But more than that, we both enjoy today Devik and his babbling, his universe and his galaxies and his DA1 and age of sun and all that thing. Well, it's good to see all these things and be as old as you are, or rather as young as you are. Let's hope we'll see many more years of your birthdays and enjoy the same. Wish you the best and happy birthday.
Papa,
हाँ दीदी
it's Daddy's birthday.
अच्छा
Mama, it's Daddy's birthday.
Oh yes!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Manji Rani, happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday. Continue to take tensions in your life so that the world can revolve and the sun can come up on the east and set in the west. Thank you very much for taking all the care for us all your life. I love you, Manji Rani. Mwah.
We love you. Have a spectacular 60th birthday. Sparkle and shine. It's party time.
It's party time. Yay.
No, it's not like that.
No?
Not like that? Then how?
खुशियाँ जो अजदी आयो खुशियाँ सा हर दिल कायो तुझे हजार साल ये सांझी आरज़ू लका लका वा तायू लका लका वा तायू लका लका वा तायू जनवरी लका लका वा तायू
Laka laka wadayu, Daddy.
She likes Cindy there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, laka laka wadayu, Daddy.
Yay! Laka laka wadayu.
चाल जो मम्मी
अरे राजा जाम थदा मां तोखे चवां थी हितां जी थद ना एकदम अलग आ एकदम हड़ियुनि ते वेंदी आ
एकदम हड्डियुनि में वेंदी आहे
हाँ
अरे बाप रे थी वठ मां तुंहिंजे लाइ शॉल थो आणा
अरे
बेटा
हाँ हाणे त ठीक त लगे
गुड
तोखे छा थी वियो राजा
कुछ ना थोड़ो गले में खिचखिच।
अच्छा
हाँ
मां तो के चयाती हिक गाल कर, पहले घी ले गले पे लगा, ऊपर से कपड़ा बांध, रात को सो जा।
अच्छा
सुबह एकदम अच्छा लगेगा।
ओके।
और सेकेंडली मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली जाके मैग्नम का आइसक्रीम लाना।
मैग्नम का आइसक्रीम?
मैग्नम का ही आइसक्रीम लाना।
ओके। उससे क्या होगा?
अरे तो के खबर ना, आइसक्रीम जो असर बदन में गरम थींदो आहे।
ओह थैंक यू मम्मी। सो मम्मी ये तो होना ही था।
डिंगो के नाम पे हमें खरा उतरना ही था।
Hi mom, so it's your 60th birthday, 60 years of glorious life, and by now I think you know what the theme of this message is. Everybody has appreciated that, and I'll add to it कि whenever we need you, anywhere, any place, anytime, you have always been there for us. And it is from the bottom of my heart that I really, really, really thank you, and we really, really all love you so much. Just be who you are, that innocent little kid in you, keep it alive, and 60 years is nothing. You're gonna be here for another 60 years.
Yes. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy sweet 16 to you. समीर ने मेन तो जिस तो बोल दिया, बट मेरे को बोलना था कि मेरा जब से शादी हुआ है, आई हैव, ऑल्दो आप मेरी सास हो, बट सास से ज़्यादा यू हैव रियली बीन माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, जिसको मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ। एंड मेरे को पता है कि हम में से किसी को भी कहीं भी कभी भी आपकी ज़रूरत हो तो आप आपका सुपर वुमन केप पहन के पहुँच जाते हो। तो थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, फॉर बीइंग सो सपोर्टिव, for being truly for being मेरे और प्रीति के लिए भी for being our मम्मा। तो although मेरे को सास पे बहुत गाने आते हैं, बट मैं और प्रीति विक्की और समीर के साथ मिलके आपके लिए यही गाना सही समझेंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे। माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, तेरे होते किसका डर, तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा। हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर, तू दुआओं का है घर। मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, ओ माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ,